Your favorite car makes every journey in your daily life smooth and effortless. Whether it's the blazing summer sun or the chill of winter, it takes you safely wherever you need to go. But in your busy routine, do you really have time to take care of your car? A small crack on the windshield might escape your eyes. Or you might think it's just a tiny crack, it's nothing. But that small crack could become the biggest mistake of your life. Because even a tiny fracture can turn into a dangerous break in an instant.
Your life is precious to your family.
So don't wait. Call Riverbend Autoglass as soon as you notice a crack. Our expert technicians are ready to repair or replace your car's windshield with care and precision.
Trained with modern techniques and equipped with advanced tools, they deliver reliable, top-quality service every time. You are bound to be happy with our service.
Your safety is our promise. See a crack? Call Riverbend Autoglass today.